Okay, DEF thing, something need to regenerate it or whatever you do with that. Hades. Okay, see that light there? That means I need to go do something with the DEF filter. So the diesel particulate filter.
I love the smell of napalm in the morning.
Right at fuel stop. Okay, see that white needle? That's fuel. And the blue one is DEF or DEF, diesel exhaust fluid. That last guy got 200 gallons. Fuel pump. And the DEF pump. Lost my hat. I don't know where it is. I might have to start wearing my Iron Maiden hat again, or use a different one. I've acquired several hats, but anyhow, that's not what this video is about. It's about DEF or DEF. It's an acronym for diesel exhaust fluid. Let's say at the beginning of September 2023, I had never even heard of DEF. I didn't know. I didn't have any idea. I never noticed that I had stopped smelling diesel exhaust everywhere. And I remember in training, like I saw this extra tank. What is this? Is this like for a generator or something? What is this tank? And they said, no, that's the DEF tank, DEF tank. And they tried to explain it, and I didn't fully understand it till I got on the road. And 1996 to 1998, when I was driving, it didn't exist. I don't even know if it was an idea at that time. It wasn't around, it didn't exist. Then US in 2007, they introduced it, I guess, to a lot of vehicles, and then by 2010, everyone was using it in the US. Now diesel vehicles, at least commercial diesel vehicles, have to use it. And you can no longer smell diesel exhaust.
Nothing else in the world smells like that. I love the smell of napalm in the morning.
And, like a normal person, I really like the smell of diesel exhaust. I miss it. And I didn't even realize how much I missed it till I stopped at this rest area one day. And I forget why. I think it was for more than a 30-minute break, because I was just laying in, maybe I took a nap. Maybe I was sleeping during the day. Right, I was taking my 10 hours during the day. I don't remember. But I do remember I woke up smelling diesel exhaust. And so I looked out the window, and there's this old Mack truck that had a bunch of hay or some shit on it. It had a flatbed trailer. And I smelled the diesel, and I thought, oh man, that smells good. I haven't smelled that in a long time.
I love the smell of napalm in the morning.
Now, maybe you think that's weird, but I like the smell. I really enjoy the smell of diesel exhaust, and I can't smell it anymore. Oh. I guess, okay, I'll give you a very basic chemistry. The diesel exhaust fluid is used to a traditional diesel exhaust has a lot of nitrous oxides, right, in the exhaust, which I guess is bad for the environment or whatever, but they smell good to me. And what it does is it basically, the diesel exhaust fluid basically breaks down the nitrous oxides into nitrogen and water, and then releases it through the exhaust system, which is why you can't smell it anymore. But I really miss the smell of diesel exhaust. I don't think I'm alone. Yeah, I might be in the minority, but I don't think I'm alone.
I love the smell of napalm in the morning.
It was a really good smell, and I miss it. Oh. It was just reminded you're at a truck stop or something.
In the morning.
And you can't smell it anymore unless you find an old truck at a rest area. This guy, he wasn't going through any scales legally. He's probably really short distance, and it wasn't, I think it was on the 5 somewhere between, like, I don't know, the Grapevine and Stockton, somewhere in there where he was. There's one scale up kind of north there, but it's usually closed. Anyhow, yeah, this is a dumbass video on death.
I love the smell of napalm in the morning. Smells like victory.